50 words related to travel with their meanings. Accommodation, a place to stay during travel. Adventure, a thrilling or exciting experience. Backpack, a large portable bag for carrying personal items. Boarding pass, a document that allows a passenger to board a plane. Cabin, a small living space or room on a ship or plane. Campsite, a designated area for camping. Carrier, a company that transports passengers or goods. Check-in, the process of registering for a flight or hotel. Cruise, a trip on a large ship. Destination, the place one is traveling to. Direct flight, a flight that goes from one airport to another without stops. Embark, to board a ship or plane. Itinerary, a plan or schedule of a trip. Journey, a trip or travel. Layover, a stopover during a journey. Luggage, bags and items that travelers carry. Map, a representation of an area usually on a flat surface. Migration, movement from one place to another. Package tour, a pre-arranged trip that includes transportation, accommodation, and activities. Passport, an official document that proves one's identity and citizenship. Pilgrimage, a journey made for religious or spiritual reasons. Road trip, a journey made by car. Route, a planned or designated path for a journey. Safari, a trip to observe wild animals in their natural habitats. Seat, a place to sit, especially on a plane or train. Sightseeing, the activity of visiting places of interest. Stopover, a brief stay in a place during a journey. Tour, a journey with a guide or a pre-planned itinerary. Tourist, a person traveling to a place for pleasure. Train, a mode of transportation that runs on tracks. Trek, a long and difficult journey, especially on foot. Trip, a journey, especially a short one. Vacation, a period of time away from work for rest or travel. Vehicle, a means of transportation such as a car or plane. Visa, an official document that allows a person to enter a country. Wayfarer, a person who travels on foot. World Heritage Site, a place designated by UNESCO as having cultural, historical, or natural significance. Yacht, a luxury boat for pleasure trips. Boarding, the process of getting on a ship, plane, or train. Camping, the activity of staying overnight in a tent or other temporary shelter. Charter, a pre-arranged trip or rental of a vehicle. Commute, regular travel to and from work or school. Cruise ship, a large ship used for leisure trips. Delay, a temporary stop or slowdown in a journey. Exploration, the act of searching or discovering new places or things. Flight, a journey by plane. Hike, a long walk, especially in a natural area. Immigration, the process of entering a country for the purpose of permanent residency.